Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We got this special gift from Nova. They've sent us this Nova Ring sizing kit. They've been around since 2015. They just recently concentrated on wearables in 2022. And cool things that actually attracted me to this Nova company was that they got Nova Pay, which is a ring that you can make payments without having your
ring.
Yeah, without having your.
That means so if you don't have your card, wallet, or smartwatch, you can just pay with your ring.
Yeah, so futuristic because all these other rings have the NFC capabilities, like Oura Ring, Ringconn, Samsung. Yeah, they all have it, but none of them are able to pay through NFC. And there's also another ring called Nova X, which has an OLED display, small OLED. That's cool. I want to get my hands on that. So they have almost, I think,
close to 500 employees and then 100 million end users.
Wow. And they have been into research and development for the past 10 years. They've also been in the 2025 CES Consumers Electronics Show, and they're probably going to be on the next one too. They've been on the 2025. Okay, let's stop talking about it and let's get right into it. Let's open this box. Did you remove the packaging when I was?
I already did, yeah. I was so excited.
So here's the Nova Ring sizing kit. I think mine is size 11. On all the rings, mine were size 11.
I think I'm 13.
Yeah, that's definitely not you.
I can literally put 2 fingers on it.
For small hands like her, I would, yeah. That's size 6?
Yeah.
So you gotta make it into a fist to see if,
me.
yeah, make a fist and see if there's any gaps. Mine is a little bit of gap, but let's go one size lower. Now another way to measure it, you can have a caliper like me. If you really want it to be precise, this is my size. Turn on the caliper like this. On, 0. And the inside of the ring. So size 11 is 20.65 millimeter for anyone out there that wants to know. Just so for the inside, for her, it's 16.5 millimeters. So that's a size 6. Let's try one more size 12.
They make size 6.
Size 12 is 21.46. So in the evening time was the best time to wear it after work. So when your body after work is kind of swollen and stuff after the whole day, that's the best time to wear it. And I'm gonna wear both size 10 and 11 because I think I'm between them. Like I'm a 10 and a half, but there isn't really a 10 and a half. What about you? Between 6 and 7, which one is? You have like smaller hands. I don't think, yeah. 6 is probably.
Yeah.
And also make sure you wear it for 24 hours. And in the shower and stuff, wear it. You know, sometimes you go wash your fingers and you forget. Okay. And the wearing position always is where the little small bump is right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a little bit right here, so you just wear that.
Yeah, when you touch, you can see the little bump inside.
That's the sensor. It's got that one sensor. For all the rings, it's recommended to wear it on the index finger. And another important note is it should not rotate in your finger. So for me, both size 10 and 11. I mean, size 11 rotates a little bit, but 10 is just too tight. And like I'm worried if it's swollen at nighttime because I want to wear it at night. This is my main thing, another main thing.
You want to record your sleep?
Yeah, I want to record my sleep. Yeah, exactly. So because I don't want to wear the big watch when I'm sleeping. So that's it. This is the sizing kit. We're gonna order our rings now and make another video of how the ring is compared to other rings as well. I have a bunch of other rings to show as well. But very cool, simple design. Yeah, that's it. So if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the description. See you guys next time.
Okay, bye guys.